Hello, students. In today's lesson, we will learn how to structure your response in the Celpip writing test. Just like a good house needs a solid frame, a good writing task needs a clear structure. If your ideas are not organized, it will confuse the reader and lower your score. Celpip writing. Task types. There are two tasks in the Celpip writing test. Task 1, email writing. Task 2, responding to a survey question. Both need proper structure, but each has its own style. Let's understand how to organize them. So, taking notes helps you remember names, numbers, and key ideas while you listen. Think of notes as your memory on paper. Task 1, writing an email. You may be asked to write an email to a friend, a company, or someone in authority. Here's the basic structure. 1. Greeting. Start politely. For example, Dear Mr. Johnson or Hi Sarah. 2. Opening sentence. Say why you are writing. For example, I'm writing to inform you about, or I'm contacting you regarding. 3. Body paragraphs. Divide your message into 2 to 3 short paragraphs. Each paragraph should cover one clear point. Describe the situation. Explain in details. Ask for action or give suggestions. 4. Closing sentence. Politely end the message. For example, I look forward to your response. Or, thanks for your attention. 5. Sign off. Finish with, sincerely or best regards. Your name. Task 2. Responding to a survey question. In this task, you will be given 2 options and must choose one. You must state your opinion and give reasons. Here's the structure. 1. Introduction. Say which option you choose. Mention that you will give reasons. For example, I believe option B is better and I will explain why. 2. Reason number 1, paragraph 1. Give your first reason. Add a short example or explanation. 3. Reason number 2, paragraph 2. Give your second reason. Support it with a quick example or detail. Tip. Use phrases like, first of all, also, for example, in my opinion. 4. Conclusion. Restate your choice briefly. End with a strong final sentence. For example, for these reasons, I strongly prefer option B. Final tips. Always plan before you write. Just 2 minutes is enough. Keep your ideas clear and simple. Use linking words like because, so, however, also. Focus on quality, not quantity. C. Good structure helps the reader follow your ideas, and that means a better score for you. Practice writing with this format, and soon your responses will be sharp, strong, and successful. Subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.